Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to play 4 basic chords that form the basis of the ukulele project and the song I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. So the first thing we're going to do is learn the chord of C. Okay, now C is 3rd fret on your A string. Okay, so you put 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's the easiest one to learn. Okay, good way of doing this. If you've got a ukulele at home, I will count you in and you copy what I do. So, for example, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each time you can go back over the video and you copy me in between. You can do these at school as well. We've got them on the iPads and we've got them on the Macs in B3. Okay, so I'm going to go on to A minor now. So you want to take your middle finger from C, take your middle finger and put it right across to the 2nd fret on the furthest string away from you, the G string. So if I just show you like that, that's C. And then I've taken my 2nd finger over, my middle finger, and I've put that on A. Okay? So now we're going to play A, and I'm going to do the same thing. Once more, it's hitting all strings very lightly. You don't want to pick out any particular string. You just want to hit all of them as close together as possible. I use my nail, but you've still got to be careful. And again, don't strum down here, strum up here. Okay? So here's your rhythms for A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next one we're going to learn is F. So we're now going to keep our finger on the one for A and we're going to put our 1st finger on the E string 1st fret. So it looks like that. And you need to remember that you mustn't touch the other strings at the time. Okay, if you touch the other strings at the time, it won't come out as F, it'll come out as something else. But you need to keep your fingers high so it sounds like that. Okay, so you've got your middle finger on 2nd fret on the G string and you have got your 1st finger on the 1st fret on the E string. Okay, and that is the chord of F. So here are your rhythms for F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are your rhythms. The next chord we're going to do is the G chord. Now this has 3 fingers. Go back to C and learn how to move from a previous chord. So we've got our C chord there. From C, you take your ring finger across to the next string. Okay, so that is on the E string. And you take your 1st finger across to the C string, but on the same fret as your 1st finger. So that is G. So I'll do that again in slow motion. You leave your middle finger where it is. Okay, you take your ring finger across a string on the E string, and you take your 1st finger over to the same fret like that, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, so once you've got the idea of changing there, I'm going to do some rhythms on there, so you might want to pause the video and just make sure you can get G, okay? So here we go with rhythms for G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you should be able to have a go at playing C, A minor, F and G and practice them in the gaps where I say 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be copying me, and then you're ready to go on and try learning how to change chords. Thank you.